Guys, in this video I will show you how you can repair your ship in Starfield. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up tab. If you're on PC or if you're on console, probably it will be other button, but nevertheless you should see star map. So go to star map, then you need to go to Alpha Centauri here, then you need to go to Jameson, then you need to go to New Atlantis here and then travel. And once you're here on New Atlantis, then you should see on the right yellow kiosk here, and next to a kiosk there is a ship service technician, so you need to talk to them. And then the first option will be for 1000 credits, my ship needs some repairs, so we need to press on that. And basically if your ship is damaged, it will fix your ship. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.